Okay, here we're going to show the proper operation of a Tokyo high power HL-350Vdx after the driver transistor was replaced right here. Okay, we got two Bird watt meters, Bird 4304As. The first one here is on the input. We're driving this with a Kenwood mobile radio, low power, which is about 5 watts. We'll put the amplifier on standby. You'll see here we got just about 5 watts, hair over 5 watts. We'll check the reflected. You see the reflected is almost nil, maybe a fraction. Let's see, 1 watt, maybe 0.2 of a watt coming back from our dummy load. Okay, go back to forward. Okay, we're going to put the amp into power here. We got the amplifier set with the switch in the back to the low power input. Okay. Same here, driving it with the same 5 watts or so. This meter here, we're on the 500 watt scale. It's kind of hard to see if you can see the white line there. So we're on the 500 watt scale. Top scale 500. And you see we're doing just about 300 watts. The built-in meter is showing 350, a little over 350, but obviously there's some loss with the jumper cables in here. Okay, but same thing, you see the drive power is 5 watts. Okay, we're going to take the Bird meter, check reflected. And you can see now the reflected is non-existent. 300 watts out. It's the same 0.2 of a watt or so. Okay. So that's showing the proper operation with low VSWR input and full output power. The other issue was when the transistor was changed, this trimmer cap for the input impedance needed to be adjusted. That has to be tuned. You have to watch both meters. You want to make sure you've got the lowest reflected while getting the highest output power, and also monitoring current draw on the 70 amp power supply we have here. Our bench power supply is not enough to run everything at once. So anyway, that's the story. Everything should be good now.